Hey guys, you know what? It's time to start working on some walls. Now, here's my dilemma. I've got these really rough walls throughout the whole house. So, if it's not one type of texture, it's another, and most of them are just horrific. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here. All right. You see that? That is like the roughest stuff ever. It's like stalactites sticking out through the wall. And it's pointed and sharp and it'll grab you. So, here's what I've decided to do. I decided to sand down some of it. Let's see. Get where we can, almost reveal what I'm doing. Now, you see how I'm sanding that down? Let's see if that'll go ahead and focus. And what I'm doing is I'm sanding it down to where it's almost like a Spanish lace. Now, you see the difference there? I decided I didn't want to take off all the sheetrock off of the walls and redo them. So I went and did that, and then I test painted a spot to see just what it's going to look like. That is honestly almost like a light, intricate Spanish lace, which means I'm able to reproduce that because I can do it. So when I take all of these out, all of these things like that no longer work, I'll be able to make it look really close to that. Now, I've also got it on my ceilings. That's not popcorn. That is actually just horrific job of texture. What they did is they either took a mud hawk and just banged it against the wall, or they loaded up a roller with a whole bunch of mud and just went to town. So, I'm gonna sit back and let y'all watch a little bit of this. I'll put it in fast time because it's gonna be boring. And then, in a little bit, I'll show you what all I've gotten done, because I've got a whole bunch of it to do. Like every wall in this entire room, the other room, the hallway, the living room. So let's start with this one and see how it turns out. Here we go. All right guys, so I already told you this once and you missed it because for whatever reason my camera shut off. But let's talk about PPEs right quick. Put a mask on, because this honestly is going to be a whole lot worse for you than when I was sanding off the trailer. The trailer, I was outside and the wind was blowing. This is inside a room. I have a fan for exhaust on one side of the room, an open window on the other. So make sure you got something to cross ventilation. Close all your vents, all your returns, and block off your door. You don't want this stuff getting in your AC. In fact, if you can, turn your AC or your heater plumb off. That way it doesn't draw anything. Now the other thing is, here's what I'm using. I'm using my orbital sander, and I'm using 40 grit sandpaper. Woo! Now, I'm going to put this on. I'm going to do some sanding. Y'all can watch, I'll speed it up. We'll be all good. Here we go. It's like COVID all over again. Here we go. Wait, we're in the middle of it. Wait, get that. It's like an octopus. Grab my face. Get all hung up. All right. Now, let's get this puppy started. I'm not gonna take off my mask to talk to you because it's nasty in here. So you know what? That's how it goes. Let's see, how long did that take? Well, that took about 8 minutes. So, I continue on. I could probably finish this wall tonight. And I'll do the other side tomorrow. And maybe even the ends tomorrow. The ceiling's gonna be another issue because, well, it's got a whole bunch of stars and junk stuck to it. But I'm gonna do the rest of it, and I'll come back and show you. For y'all, it's gonna be about, half a second. Right back.